I asked my sister to be in this video and she said never. Hey guys, my name is Zin and today I'm going to react to NCT 127, 127, whatever it is, and they like literally just dropped the music video. Like, it's on my screen right now, so let's react to it, guys. Let's go, guys. Oh, they are looking fine on the ground. Oh my god. Little girl, what you doing? All these hot Asian people behind you. Oh my god. Taeyong, my bae. Sorry guys. I'm a bit sick. Sick on NCT. Jaehyun. God, they all look so different. After seeing the teaser, I was like, this shit's gonna be lit, guys. And already, first up, first second, it's like, bam, right in your face. The teacher be looking at them like, why are you interrupting my class? Like, what are you doing? Oh, this water, oh. Acrobatics. Oh my god. SM production is like no joke, guys. This year has been so bomb. Mark, yes. Oh, don't know what they did to your hair, but Def's feeling the vibe, guys. Oh my god, I'm gonna put this on repeat. No kidding. I'm not kidding. Taeil, what did they do to your hair? I want to like start a fire in my room and then hope they come because I'm waiting for their stage. Like it's can't words can't. Oh, who are you? Oh, money. All these non-Asian people appearing on the screen more than the NCT members, but God, I just love the lighting, the production, the choreo already looks like A+ quality. Oh, the symbol looks pretty cool. Fire truck was lit. Oh, what's this end bit? They're approaching the little, is that a boy? They're approaching the little boy. Don't know what that's supposed to mean, but that's kind of, okay. That was it for my reaction video. SM has not disappointed with their NCT debut with NCT U, and now they have a new unit, and I'm just like, why are you hitting me with all these good looking boys? It's just, I'm just one person, okay? So if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!